How to lose weight fast without exercise overnight. Hey, this is Waysandhow. Let me ask you a question. Can you lose weight fast without exercising overnight? I know what most of you will answer, but you are wrong. Yes, you can. The question, however, is how much and what exactly are you going to lose? In this video, I will walk you through the process and explain to you exactly how and what that entails. It's always been said that you can't take any shortcuts when you want to lose weight. You need to put in the work and work out as much as you can. Even then, you can't expect to see any changes overnight. But is all that really true? In reality, there are ways for you to lose weight overnight even without exercise. To achieve that safely, you first need to manage your expectations. What to expect from an overnight weight loss plan. When you're looking to lose weight overnight, don't expect miracles. You're not likely to lose fat because that entails long-term tweaks to your diet, as well as your activity level. But you can expect to minimize bloating, which makes your stomach look significantly smaller. You will also be able to shed pounds by flushing out toxins and excess fluids. If all you are hoping for is to see a lower number on the scale and a flatter stomach by morning, there's hope. Steps to safely shed pounds by morning. On the day before you need to weigh yourself, take the following steps. 1. Take a natural diuretic. Diuretics are useful in rapid weight loss because they help flush out excess water in the body. Coffee is the most common natural diuretic, but you might get better results from parsley tea if you can tolerate the taste. According to an animal study led by researchers from the American University of Beirut, taking parsley significantly increases urine output, making it an excellent herbal diuretic. To use this, all you need to do is take a handful of fresh parsley and boil it in a small pot of water. Drink the resulting tea first thing in the morning. 2. Drink lots of water. Whenever you're taking a diuretic, it's essential to drink lots of water to keep your kidneys functioning properly. But when trying to lose weight fast, water plays an even more significant role. For one, increasing your water consumption helps suppress your appetite. So instead of eating and consuming more calories, you feel sated from something that can't make you gain any fat. Another critical benefit of higher water consumption is that it aids weight loss. Based on a study led by researchers from the highly respected Humboldt University in Germany, drinking 2 liters of water daily actually helps you burn as much as 400 kilojoules, or approximately 96 additional calories. 3. Avoid certain foods. Most of the advice to minimize bloating entails avoiding certain foods like carbs and dairy. But according to the UK's National Health Service, NHS, you might also want to avoid foods that are considered healthy, but are known to cause bloating and flatulence. Some of them include cauliflower, broccoli, cabbage, bean sprouts, beans, and onions. That said, you should eat plenty of other vegetables to consume more fiber and get the nutrition you need to lose weight safely. 4. Soak in an Epsom salt bath. Athletes and people with chronic pain issues often use Epsom salt baths because it is believed to reduce inflammation in the body. Additionally, it also helps draw out toxins and excess fluids, thereby inducing weight loss. According to the Mayo Clinic, you shouldn't use more than 2 cups of salt for every gallon of water. Also, if you do not have a bathtub, you can use a basin and draw a foot bath. Doing this will still allow you to gain the detoxifying and anti-inflammatory benefits of the salt's magnesium sulfate content. 5. Drink a cup of green tea. After your bath and right before you hit the sack, drink a cup of warm green tea. Green tea is another effective diuretic. But more than that, it is known for its countless health benefits. For one, it is rich in antioxidants that will support your body as you detox. Additionally, it has been proven to aid in fat loss. A study led by researchers from the University of Birmingham showed that green tea extracts boost not only the body's natural fat-burning abilities, but also improves glucose tolerance and insulin sensitivity, which are both essential to avoiding obesity and diabetes. Of course, much of the weight you will lose overnight using these methods will mostly be from water loss. But these are healthy habits that you should continue to gain the most benefits if done consistently. If you do these regularly, your body will function better and you will be able to keep the pounds off. Following our study references we used to create this video. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.